This is Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. Begin with connect your device to Wi-Fi, then you need to launch the Play Store, sign in if necessary, then type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively, which, as you will be able to see now, does not take a lot of time. Now we can launch it, and as well as opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap on the blue continue button, decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera, set it as your default browser right away, and finally you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.